Hello everyone, welcome, my name Sam Ream, and I do hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today we're going to be talking about me potentially playing my last PS4 gameplay. Later today I will indeed play on the brand new PS4 Pro, a nice lush white one. Gonna sell a bunch of old games and my beloved PS3 console, and so I do hope you are excited about more gameplay. I'm excited because of the quality and the improvements that the PS4 Pro will come in for, and yes, so just a heads up here, if you do go on and enjoy the this video, then smash your like button. But I'm just gonna let you know that I am gonna get my brand new PS4 Pro, so it might be a while before videos, but rest assured there will be. I mean, there's like scheduled videos, but yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching. There will be new videos coming soon, so sit back and I hope you all enjoy, and comment below if you've got PS4 or PS4 Pro or an Xbox. I do have an Xbox 360, but obviously I can't find much for it, only the console. And wow, my dog wants me to mention the controller for it, and that's it. I mean, the PS3 I got, it has no box. I'm sure there's a box for the PS3, but I'm unsure if they'll take it without the box. So yeah, so that's that. Thank you for watching. Just a little update video. I'm gonna get my PS4 Pro soon, and yeah, so I do hope you are having a fantastic day. And yeah. Oh yeah, another thing I have got is my brand new The Ream Show logo. That's all you're getting. So until 1st of August, where I reveal the whole thing, sit back, enjoy the ride, and I'll see you next time.